Respect isn't only about how we treat people, it's also about how we treat the spaces and the things that we share. For preschoolers, caring for their environment builds responsibility, patience, and pride, and it teaches them this important truth: what we take care of matters. When children are learning to respect shared spaces, we are teaching them 3 skills: use with care, so gentle hands, not throwing things or bending things; return when finished, so putting things back where they belong; and helping or help restore the space, so that is cleaning up as a community. And it's these skills that turn everyday routines into character practice. And of course, children don't know how to naturally manage shared spaces. They learn it from us by what we say and what they see. So when we say things like, let's put the crayons back so everyone can have a try the next time. Let's clean up together because this is our room. Or we take care of what we have. We teach them that caring for belongings isn't a chore, it's just part of being a part of a group. So one of the most important mindset shifts with children is that cleanup is not discipline, it's participation. Instead of, forcing or nagging children to clean up, we can invite them into teamwork. So you're using words like, let's take care of the classroom together, or who's ready to be the bookshelf helper. We can reset our space so that we're ready for the next activity. Children feel more ownership when they are part of the process instead of being corrected through it. So another helpful strategy is keeping cleanup time predictable. So when children know which toys go where, when cleanup usually happens, and what the routine looks like, they're far more likely to help and help willingly. When things are predictable, it builds confidence, and confidence builds cooperation. And just remember that progress matters more than perfection, because children will forget. They will rush. They'll push limits. But each small effort to take care of toys, books, and shared spaces is shaping their character. If your children enjoy learning through play, there's a really fun way to practice all of these skills together. I created a game called Character Quest that gives children little teamwork missions and challenges built around values, like taking care of materials and using kind words, helping others and waiting turns. It turns character practice into a time of connection, whether you are playing as a family at home or in the classroom as an activity. So the link is below if you like a playful way to reinforce the values that we're teaching. So respect shows up in everyday habits. How gently we touch the things that we own, how willingly we help care for our shared spaces, and how we return things back to where they belong when we're finished. Those habits build children who understand that respect isn't just something that we say, it's something that we live out together. So thank you for spending time with me walking through respect for little ones, and I will see you in the next one.